Lesson 91, ampersand in header. In this lesson, we'll take a look at something that should be really easy, creating a header of profit and loss. We'll also take a look at other special characters, the wildcard characters, and how we can find those in the Find dialog box. I have a really simple request. I want to have a header above this document that says profit and loss. So I'll go into Page Setup, Header Footer, Custom Header, and choose Profit and Loss. Click OK, and we'll do a print preview. I'll zoom, and you can see right away we have a problem. I know I typed the ampersand, but it's not appearing. We'll go into Page Setup, and let's take a look at that custom header. You'll notice over here where we have the page number, ampersand, and then in square brackets page is the special code that puts a page number in. Or over here, ampersand date or ampersand time is the control character to actually put the real date and time. When we put an ampersand here, Excel is expecting some sort of a code to come after it. And that's why we're not seeing the ampersand. Well, it turns out that there is a special code in order to put an ampersand in. It is an ampersand ampersand. Click OK. And OK. Now when we go to Print Preview, you see that we actually get the ampersand in the header. Drives me crazy that you have to put two ampersands, but I understand why it's happening, because the ampersand is a special character that Excel uses to mean that there's a code that follows it. The other characters that we run into in Excel are the asterisk and the question mark. When we're doing a find command, so Control F for find, and I want to try and find, for example, that asterisk. Well, Excel treats the asterisk as a wildcard character that says find anything. So in fact, it's going to find every single entry, not just the ones with asterisks. Similarly, the question mark is treated as a wildcard character that is one character wide. So if we wanted to look for UN question mark URP, we would find either unsurpassed, unsurpassed, or UN any character URP. But what if we really want to find the question mark? Well, it turns out that to find an asterisk or to find a question mark, you have to precede it with a tilde. So tilde asterisk will find Patio Mart with an asterisk, or tilde question mark will find the actual question mark in the data. Drives me a little bit crazy that I have to remember the tilde. And then, interestingly, because the tilde is now a special character, there's no good way to find a tilde because it's expecting either an asterisk or a question mark after it. So if you're actually looking for a tilde, you have to search for tilde tilde. That will find one tilde. Okay, so there's a confusing array of special characters. If you want to have an ampersand in your header and footer, you have to put ampersand ampersand. To search for a tilde, you have to search for tilde tilde. To search for an asterisk or a question mark, search for tilde asterisk or tilde question mark. Confusing, isn't it? Well, I hope you find that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live Lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.